Don't be coming in the morning to apologize. Every little lie to me for the sky. Something in the way I want to try.
Ay, nagpakainit dalawa. Ba't nariyan kayo? Ay, nito sa loob. Uy.
Okay naman, tag mo, tapos na.
Init.
Samantha. Color. Samantha, how about the thing is... Oh, Samantha, get away.
Ha?
Daddy. Let me go. Hey, Samantha.
Oh, may kakabit ka.
Where are you from?
Thank you.
Samantha. Did you all by yourself?
Testing mo.
Pagka yung ilaw, dito automatic ba?
Huh?
Yung ilaw siya.
Napatay ko!
Wow, papatay ko mo yun.
But I saw the light is on. Maybe somebody used the toilet. He was my papa. He was using it for...
Let's go.
He was using it for... What is this?
Tapos may tarpaulin dito. Gusto mo.
Malaki.
Hindi ko nakipapa yung tarpaulin mo.
Gusto mo nga yun. Bukas.
I'm still not going home. Where's the matter go? Lonely. What have you done? Come up and look. What have you done here? Why?
Yeah.
I can cover it.
Nakatabing kahoy dyan.
What?
Tan.
Plywood.
Wait, Samantha, how about I will mix the colors?
Nalagyan itong donut.
Two,
Ilang kulay?
green, and... What kind?
Ay, bilog
Look at
na.
this. What is this? What is... China. No, that one. I forgot what it is. Chahaha cheetah. Cheetah. No, Samantha, look. Okay, we have it.
Sige, bigyan ka.
Ate Lady.
Ayan.
You got it in there. Can you see? Yeah. Look, Samantha. Samantha. Let's make a pie. Let's make a pie. Let's make a X. Make a X. First, make an X. That's not how you make a X. Try it again. Try it again. Make an X. Now put two lines. What? Put two lines. Right. And next. Look here. All done. And next, color it with yellow. And color it with yellow. Miss Samantha, can I restart? First, make an X. Draw the line. First, what did I do again? So, that's how you make a sign. A time? Samantha, how to make a real sign? Wait, draw this. Hi, you're so dumb. Wait, that. Samantha, what are you doing? Hey, draw a sign. I cannot draw a sign, it's too low. Here, draw this. Hey, Samantha. Okay. First, draw this one. Hey, draw this one. Hey. What? I said draw this one. Nope, this one. Next, draw number.
Hello? Hello? Nasaan ka? Anak ko.
109, dito po sa harap niya.
Anong pangalan?
Marlon Soriano.
Ako, nandito ako sa Marikina ngayon eh.
May Gcash po ba? Kasi Gcash na lang po.
Magkano yan?
109 po.
109.
Opo.
And next, draw two.
Kaya tingnan ko lang, dali ah.
Sige po.
Pasend na lang yung Gcash mo.
Somebody ruined it.
Ay, tawag.
Ano, color that.
Tawag dito, iwanan mo lang dyan sa ano, sa kapitbahay.